In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and securely change your Zoho Mail password. Keeping strong, unique passwords is key to protecting your account, and updating them regularly is a smart habit. Start by opening your browser and going to https://accounts.zoho.com. Log in with your current credentials. Once logged in, click your profile picture or initials in the top right corner and select My Account from the drop-down menu. Next, go to the Security tab and click Change Password. Enter your current password to verify it's you, then type your new password. Make sure it's strong. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. Confirm your new password by entering it again, then hit Change Password to save. And that's it. Your Zoho Mail password is now updated, keeping your account secure across all Zoho services. Remember, regularly updating your password is an easy way to protect your personal information. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.